All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. And my name is Asal. And today we're going to talk about the role that exercise plays in memory function of individuals. This is physical activity. I really like this little graphic here. It says move your body. I wanted to explain the difference between physical activity and physical exercise. These two terms are oftentimes used interchangeably, and it's important to know the difference between the two. So physical activity is basically any bodily movement is considered physical activity. For example, me moving my hands here, moving my neck, talking, these are all considered physical activity. You're the one who's watching me right now is you're doing some sort of physical activity. Whereas physical exercise is considered the movement that individuals have through structure, and those are the movements that they're going to use to maintain their health, basically. And it is considered a subcategory of physical activity as well. And it serves the purpose of bettering your health and maintaining it as you uh, lived on a daily basis. Now that we have figured that out, let's move on. All right. So, sorry. How can engaging in physical exercise, PE for short, help you as an individual? Um, Through recent studies, physical exercise has been known to be a strong gene regulator, which means that it helps promote structural and functional changes in the brain. This is very important because this plays a role in um, enhancing memory function of individuals. All right. Oops. Okay. So, um, this can lead to greater cognitivity, which means that it could lead to a better memory function, um, and makes you feel more alive and more awake and more aware of your surroundings. So this was a study done there was a study done by University of Irvine, and a university in Japan as well, and they took 36 healthy young individuals um, who participated in the study, and they used MRIs that were high. It's like a high resolution functional magnetic resonance imaging fMRIs, and they discovered that 10 minute eat just 10 minutes of uh, moderate exercising, such as walking, has helped individuals feel a lot more better, actually. And they know, not necessarily know, but they can remember where they had left their things if they had forgotten before. Like they took images of their brains before and after, and they saw the a lot more um, better results with after the exercise. And another study was done, this is from 2015, so I didn't want to include this study in my research, but it was just interesting to see because it showed that as individuals exercised, their depression and anxiety levels decreased, which was really an awesome thing to see because I myself have experience with this as well. When I exercise, I feel a lot more alive. I feel better and I feel better about myself. I get rid of the toxins that make me depressed and have anxiety. And once I get rid of those toxins, it makes me feel a lot better and I am more prone to being in a better mood and wanting to do things differently. This was the fMRI that I was talking about. This is like the machine where individuals go inside the machine and the machine takes images of their brains and we can see how it's different before and after the exercise. Like I was saying, even 10 minutes of walking can enhance the memory function of individuals. And due to the, so this happens because there is an improvement in the connectivity of the hippocampal dentate gyrus and the cortical areas, which are directly linked to detailed memory processing. These two little guys are walking. Um, so that is basically saying that the hippocampus is right over here, and that is totally linked to memory and navigation. And then the other one that it was talking about was over here, where it these two, sorry, not here, I apologize, I meant to say right here. um these two areas, this one and this one, are linked to memory function and navigation, and making working these more often, we see that by doing physical exercise it works these two areas of the brain, which helps the cogni- cogni- cognitivity of individuals. They are more prone to remember what has happened and remember different stuff, for example. And this through these studies that I have found, it has been it has shown that a lot of the times the researchers are excited to learn more about the brain, and they want to do these studies on individuals with Alzheimer's and dementia, and they want to see how exercise can potentially have an effect on them getting better. Just my question is that not why, but what resources are we lacking to not have been able to do that right now until now? Because I feel like if we were able to do something like that, we should have been able to help a lot of individuals already. So that's what I'm a little bit more skeptical about this area. I'm just not sure if that's going to really be, if it's really going to be that, have that much an effect in order for them to um, help these individuals with such terminal diseases or chronic diseases, I should say. But I just want to say thank you very much for coming over here and watching my video. I appreciate you all for listening and being with me. Um, Good luck to everybody, and I'm looking forward to watching everyone's video. So thank you very much.